So prove that determinant of a plus bx, c plus dx, p plus qx, ax plus b, cx plus d, px plus q, u v w is equal to 1 minus x square here. Okay, 1 minus x square, not whole square here, the x square here. 1 minus x square into a c p, then b d q, u v w. Okay. In this case, prove LHS equal to RHS here. So applying so R1 gives here R1 minus of x into R2. R1 minus x R2 means only first row changes here. Second and third row keep as it is here. Okay. Therefore, LHS is equal to determinant of. So second row elements are AX plus B, then CX plus DF, then PX plus Q, UVW, right as it is here. Then multiply by x and subtract here. A plus bx is there. A plus bx minus of x into x plus t. X into ax plus bf. Take minus x inside the bracket here. A plus bx minus of ax square minus of bx here. Plus bx and minus bx cancels here. A is a common factor, so 1 minus of x square here. So it is this minus of x into this here. A into 1 minus of x square. Similarly, multiply by x here and subtract here. Then dx cancels, so c common factor here. So c common here. Then 1 minus of x square here. Even here also qx and qx cancels, p common factor. P is the common factor here. 1 minus of x square. 1 minus x square. So in the first row, each term containing 1 minus x square here. So 1 minus x square common factor here. 1 minus x square is the common factor into determinant of. So A, C, P. A, C and P here. Ax plus b, second row elements here, ax plus b, cx plus d, cx plus d, px plus q here, px plus q. Then u, v and w right as it is here. Next R2 gives here R2 minus of x into R1 here. Here second row changes here. First and third row keep as it is here. Yes, so this is equal to 1 minus of x square here into determinant of A, C, P right as it is here. A, C and P. U, V, W. So U, V and W right as it is here. Then multiply by x and subtract here. Ax cancels, the remaining is a B here. Multiply x here and subtract here. Cx cancels, the remaining is b. Multiply x here and subtract here. Px and px cancels, remaining is q. Therefore, 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x square here, not whole square, 1 minus x square, a, c, p, b, d, q, u, v, w. So therefore, this is equal to RHS here. LHS is equal to RHS. So prove that determinant of x sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x 1 cos theta 1 x is independent of theta x. Just expand the determinant here. Okay, therefore take your solution. So determinant of x minus of sin theta cos of theta here So sin theta minus x1, then the cos theta 1 and x here. Okay, expand the determinant here. So x into bracket minus x into x becomes minus of x square minus 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Minus of sin theta minus sin theta into bracket minus sin theta into x minus of x sin theta cos theta into 1 becomes cos theta minus of cos of theta. Then plus cos theta plus cos of theta into bracket minus sin theta into 1 is minus of sin theta minus minus x into cos theta is a minus x cos theta minus and this minus become plus here plus x into cos of theta x into cos of theta. Then take x inside the bracket here. So therefore x into minus x square is a minus of x cube here. X into minus 1 is a minus of x minus sin theta into minus x sin theta minus into minus becomes a plus x into sin becomes sin square theta minus this minus becomes a plus sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta into cos theta into minus sin theta minus of sin theta into cos of theta. Then cos theta into cos is a cos square here x into cos square theta. Okay, then sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta get cancels here minus of x cube minus x plus here x is the common factor here, so write x outside here. Hence sin square theta plus cos square theta here. Sin square plus cos square is 1 here minus of x cube minus x plus x here. 1 into x becomes x minus x and plus x cancels here. Hence it is minus of x cube here. So there is no theta term here. Here there is no theta term. So it is independent of theta, which is independent of theta. It is independent of theta because there is no any theta term here. Hence it is independent of theta. So here pro LHS is equal to RHS without expanding the determinant here. Therefore first write this left side determinant here. In this case multiply first row by A, second row by B and the third row by C here. Hence divide ABC outside here. Okay, multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. So R1, R2, R3 by A, B, C respectively. Hence LHS is equal to, if you multiply A inside, you divide on A outside here. If you multiply B inside, you divide B outside. Multiply C inside here, then you divide C outside here. Hence you can write 1 upon ABC into determinant of so A square, then A cube, then ABC here, then B square, then B cube, ABC, then C square, C cube, then ABC. In this last column, all the terms are same here. We can take a common factor here. So ABC common here. So therefore, ABC divided by ABC into determinant of A square, then B square and C square here. then a cube, b cube, and c cube, 1 and 1 here. Okay. Here ABC get cancels here. The terms get cancels. Next interchanging columns here. Okay. Here 1 and 1 in the first column here. Therefore interchanging first and third column here. Okay. So C1 interchange with C3 here. If you interchange, then the sign of the determinant changes here. So it becomes a minus here. So write here 1 in the first column here. And second column keep as it is. A cube, B cube and C cube. Then write A square, B square and C square here. Interchange first and third column here. Therefore, it is a minus here. Again interchanging second and third column here. So C2 interchange with C3 here. Then this minus becomes a plus here. Therefore this equal to determinant of first column right as it is 1 and 1 here. Interchange the second and third columns here. So A square, B square and C square. Then A cube, B cube and C cube. That is RHS here. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS here. So this is the solution here. So evaluate determinant cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha minus sin beta cos beta 0, sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha sin beta cos alpha. So direct expand it here. Okay, take your solution. Determinant of cos alpha into cos of beta minus sin beta, sin alpha into cos of beta here. Then cos alpha into sin of beta, cos of beta, sin alpha into sin beta here, minus of sin alpha 0 and cos of alpha here. Expand it here. So this equal to cos alpha cos beta here. Cos alpha into cos beta into bracket, cos beta into cos alpha, cos of alpha into cos of beta. Then 0 into this term is a 0, so minus of 0. Then minus cos alpha into sin of beta into bracket, minus sin beta into cos alpha, minus of sin beta into cos alpha. 0 into this becomes a 0, so minus of 0. Minus 0. Then minus sin alpha is there. So right here minus of sin alpha into bracket. Then this into this here. Minus sin beta into, okay, minus of sin beta into sin becomes sin square here. So sin square beta into sin alpha. Then minus here. Then this into this here, cos into cos square beta here. So sin alpha cos square beta. Sin alpha into cos square beta here. Now take cos alpha cos beta inside the bracket here. As this equal to this into this becomes cos square alpha into cos square beta here. And 0 into this term is a 0, minus of 0 here. Then this into this term here, minus into minus becomes a plus. So write here plus cos alpha cos square sin beta sin square beta here. Hence cos square alpha into sin square beta. Sin square beta. Then minus into minus becomes a plus, 0 into this is a 0. So it is a 0. Then minus sin alpha into minus sin square beta sin alpha. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. Sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Hence sin square alpha into sin square beta. Okay. Then minus into this minus becomes a plus here. So write here plus. Then sin into sin becomes a sin square here. Sin square alpha into cos square beta. Sin square alpha cos square beta. Therefore this equal to here cos square alpha cos square beta. Here cos square alpha sin square beta. From these two terms here, cos square alpha common factor. So cos square alpha keep outside here. Cos square beta plus sin square beta right in a bracket here. Then a plus here. And from these two terms here. So sin square alpha common factor here. So sin square alpha is the common here. Then sin square beta plus cos square beta here. And cos square beta plus sin square beta is 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta is also 1 here. Therefore 1 into cos square alpha is a cos square alpha plus 1 into sin square alpha is a sin square alpha here. Hence sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 here. So therefore value of this determinant is 1 here. So if A, B and C are real numbers and delta is equal to determinant here B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 0. Then show that either A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay. First take the determinant here. Then here adding the columns here C1 plus C2 plus C3. Yes, delta is equal to determinant of. If you add these columns here, this plus this here A plus A becomes 2A, B plus B becomes 2B, C plus C becomes 2C here. Hence 2 common factor here. 2 is a common factor. Then write here A plus B plus C. So similarly, here sum of these 3 terms here. So 2 into bracket A plus B plus C. Again 2 into bracket A plus B plus C. Then the second, third column write as it is C plus A. Then A plus B. Then B plus C, then A plus B, then B plus C, and C plus A. Okay. Now take here all the terms are same in the first column here. So take 2 into A plus B plus C is the common factor here. So write outside here into determinant of. So 1 and 1 here. So 1 1. Then C plus A plus B, and B plus C. Then A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A. Okay. Now here 1 and 1 here the first column here. You can make these two terms as 0 here. Means R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 here. So R2 gives here R2 minus R1 and R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. Second and third row changes here. first row terms keep as it is as 2 into a plus b plus c into determinant of 1, then this c plus a, then a plus b, a plus b. Then the second row minus the first row, 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. This is 0. This minus this here, a minus a cancels here, b minus c. So right here, b minus c. This minus this here, b minus b cancels, c minus a. Therefore it is a c minus a. Then r3 minus r1 here. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then b plus c minus c plus a. C and c cancels, b minus a. So it is a b minus a. Then this minus this here, a and a cancels, c minus b here. It is a c minus of b here. Now you expand this determinant here. As 2 into a plus b plus c into 1 into this here, b minus c into c minus b, b minus c into c minus of b minus this into this here, c minus a into b minus a, b minus a. Later this into here 0 into this is a 0, this into 0 becomes 0, hence the second term is a 0. Then this into 0 is a 0 here, this into 0 becomes 0, hence the third term is also 0. Okay, because these two terms are 0 here, 0 into this is 0, 0 into this is 0, hence the middle term is a 0, 0 into this is a 0, 0 into this is a 0, hence this last term is also 0. Now multiply these two terms as well as these two terms here. Therefore this equal to 2 into a plus b plus c into bracket. Then b into c becomes a bc here. Then b into b becomes a b square minus of b square minus c into c minus of c square minus into minus plus b into c becomes a bc here. Okay. Yes. This product is this here. Okay. Minus of again multiply these terms here. C into b becomes a bc. C into minus a minus of ac here minus a into b minus of ab minus into minus plus a square here. So bracket complete here. Take this minus inside the bracket here. So 2 into is equal to 2 into bracket a plus b plus c here into so bc minus of b square then minus c square here plus bc. Take a minus inside here, minus into bc becomes a minus of bc here minus ac minus into minus plus here, so plus a into c here minus into minus becomes a plus, so plus ab minus into plus becomes a minus of a square here. Okay, minus a square. Therefore this equal to 2 into bracket a plus b plus c here. Okay, then plus minus bc and plus bc get cancels here, plus bc minus bc get cancels. You can take minus common factor here. Okay, therefore write minus outside here, minus right outside, then a square plus b square plus c square here. A square plus b square plus c square, then minus of ab here because minus common here, minus ab, then minus of bc here, so minus of bc and minus of ca. Here write in the bracket here. Minus is the common factor here, so write outside here. Therefore, this equal to minus of a plus b plus c here. Take this 2 inside this bracket here. Multiply each element by 2 here. Hence, 2 into a square, 2 into b square, 2 into c square, minus of 2ab, minus of 2bc, minus of 2ca. Bracket complete here. Take this 2 inside this bracket here. Multiply each term by 2 here. Hence, this equal to minus of a plus b plus c. Here 2a square, 2b square, 2c square terms are there. You split it here, a square plus b square plus c square here. So, in this case, a square plus b square minus of 2ab. Then plus here. B square plus c square here. B square plus c square minus of 2bc here. Minus 2bc. Then plus. Then c square plus a square minus of 2ca. Minus 2ca. Hence, this equal to minus of a plus b plus c here into bracket. Here these 3 terms here. A square plus b square minus 2ab gives a minus b whole square here. Then plus. Then these 3 terms here. B square plus c square minus 2bc. So b minus of c whole square. Then plus. And c square plus c square minus 2ca. It is a c minus of a. It's a square here. Bracket complete. But here they already given here. Value of this determinant is 0 here. It is a 0. Then this equal to 0. Since delta is equal to 0 here. They already given here. Since delta is a 0, means delta is equal to this here. Either this is a 0 or this is a 0 here. Comma a plus b plus c is equal to 0 or a minus b whole square, then plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equal to what? 0. Hence, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0 or, and here this is a 0. This term is a 0. It is happened only when a is equal to b is equal to c. If a is equal to b here, if a is equal to b, then this is a 0. If b and c equal here, then this becomes 0. If a and c equal, then this becomes 0. Then only this full term becomes a 0. Okay, if a is equal to b is equal to c, then only this term is a 0. Hence, either a plus b plus c equal to 0 or a is equal to b is equal to c. So therefore, this is a required result.